How to make game activity show on Discord. So go open your Discord application, go to the bottom part of the screen and click on settings or the gear icon. Now scroll down and click on activity privacy. Once you click on this page will then show. Now as you can see, if you enable this first option, Discord will automatically update your status based on the game that you are playing, as long as the game is detectable by Discord. So make sure to turn this on, and I will try this by opening my Valorant. And as you can see, once the application is open, it will show on my status. So that is how to make game activity show on Discord. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.